Hey everyone, Luis Marquez here, your local Nocatee real estate expert. I'm doing some hiking out here at one of my favorite places to be, and that's the Nocatee Landing. The Nocatee Landing, it's a beautiful place right off the intercoastal. There's lots of trails throughout this whole community, but this one right off the Nocatee Landing, it's probably my favorite. So I thought I'd make a video just to show you how beautiful this hiking trail is, and hopefully you guys would want to check it out too. So can't wait to show you this place. Let's do it. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video I put together for you. It's a beautiful place to be, safe for all ages and pets. So if you haven't explored this trail yet, highly recommend you do. And if you have any other questions about this Nocatee community, you know who to ask. See you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.